My name is Joshua and I'm from England and I drive lorries for a living. My hair loss started around 2 years ago and I didn't feel great about it at all. The negative effects I found with hair loss is that I could not use any hairstyles I'd see in men's magazines about hair and good styles.
This part and this part.
When I shower, I can see
There is a corridor like here.
Yeah, it's like thick here, but thin here.
On the mid, it's like thin.
I chose Smile Hair Clinic because I saw evidence from a friend that previously came here, and it just looked by example that this was the best place to go. My operation went very smoothly. I listened to music, I relaxed, the staff were amazing. I couldn't ask for any more of a better treatment. Hopefully, I'm looking after my hair transplant is to have a full head of hair again that will keep me going till my early years into my 40s, 50s and maybe even my 60s.
This is Dr. Ali from Smile Clinic. He is Joshua. Now, we made his medical examination and examination of the hairs. His donor capacity is very good. His needing is on the front corners especially, but he needs a densification on the median crown part too. He is using minoxidil finasteride. Better to use it after the surgery again, please, because we need to take care of his own hairs. Otherwise, we will need a second operation. I hope to take 3,500, maybe 600, and then we'll start the incisions. We will focus on the front and make a densification on the mid and crown area. Have a good day.
I think the team was excellent. They did everything they could in their power to make me feel comfortable, and they provided the best service I could possibly imagine.
Do you have hair loss or receding in your family as well?
No, just me.
Just you?
Just me.
And do you think what was the reason?
Stress, maybe.
Do you do stress too much?
Sometimes.
About what?
It's life, work.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a HGV driver. I'm a professional truck driver.
Wow, impressive. And what is the worst thing about having a receding hairline?
You cannot style your hair to how you would like it styled because there's no hair there.
And when your hair gets wet?
You can see more.
Yeah.
You can see everything. Shall I have a look in the mirror?
Yes.
Oh,
Let's check.
oh my God. Wow, look at that.
What do you think?
Bit of a shock, really. But it will grow back, I'm sure.
If you would rate it on a scale 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
My hair?
Yeah, the shape look.
I like it, but I prefer the hair.
Nice.
All right, let's go.
Hey, how are you? This is Dr. Ali from Smile Clinic. Now, we ended our patient Joshua's transplantation. Today, we transplanted 3,750 grafts. The grafts are on the front. On the front 2 centimeters, we made a very good density with a number of 2,300 grafts. On the front, totally the graft number is about 2,500 and we densified the mid and crown part. He will like coverage and the density when they all grow up. We already took 3,750 grafts, but his donor area looks amazing. So we will make the full information, we will give it to Joshua and he will leave the clinic with all of the information that he may need after the surgery. Have a good day.
I would totally personally say come here. The reviews are amazing. They give you all the information for the aftercare. They do everything right by the book. You can't go wrong here. You can't really, there's nothing better out here than this place. Follow the 2 transformations.